Hello everyone. At Tapes Biology, we continue with our series of being able to understand why answers are correct and why answers are wrong in some of these questions. And we've been taking a look at the WASSCE May-June 2017 past questions objectives in biology. So the question that I picked out, if you check your hard copy, is question number 11 for today. And remember to hit that subscribe button. And the question says, the diagram below illustrates the transverse section of which of these? Is it a dicotyledonous root, monocotyledonous root, or dicotyledonous stem or monocotyledonous stem? That's the diagram. This diagram, if you don't understand it, there is no way you can answer it. Please be informed that the word transverse section also means what is called cross section. So transverse section also means cross section. So now, when we say transverse section, it also, as I said, you can call transverse section, which other section? Cross section. They can call it cross section so that you don't get it mixed up. So that's like when you hold an orange and you divide it horizontally into two parts, horizontal cut, that's a transverse section. So when you get a stem and you cut it, you see a circular surface like this. That's what we call the transverse section. Now, when we look at this diagram, if you don't understand it, the labeling is very easy. Let's label so that I can answer the question. This outer part is called the epidermis, right? That is the epidermis there. This layer is known as the cortex, all right? Then do not forget that this layer here, that outer ring, is called the endodermis, all right? Endodermis. That outer one there is called the endodermis, right? Then there is an inner ring. That inner ring is known as the pericycle, right? Now, interestingly, inside the center here, this center here is popularly called pith, right? The pith, P-I-T-H. Now here we have these inner structures. This one inside is known as the xylem that transports mineral salts and water. Then this second one here is called the cambium, right? That's the cambium. Okay, that's the cambium. Then the lower one here is called the phloem. These are known as the vascular tissues in the plant. So what we have here is actually the diagram of the transverse section of what is known as dicotyledonous stem. So the dicotyledonous stem is what have this particular shape with a central pith and the vascular tissues arranged like that. But if it is a monocot, it's a monocot plant, you see that the monocot stem has something like this. It has its own epidermis, but this time around you will notice that it doesn't have a major pith. It just have vascular tissues that are scattered like that, right? And then you have this one now is going to serve as the epidermis of your monocotyledon stem, epidermis. And then this area will be its own narrow cortex, very narrow cortex. And interestingly, you have what is called scattered vascular bundles. So this is the TS of monocotyledonous stem. Okay, sorry for the size of the board. So if you look at this diagram that WASSCE presented here, which is our question, this is the question for WASSCE. They say look at this one here. Definitely our answer for this question is going to be number C. So you're expected to shade this as the answer. That's the diagram of dicotyledonous stem. Enjoy learning at Tapes Biology. Watch out for question number 12, 13, and 14. Have a great day.